Oh hey! Yats ebene. Good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is I'm shoveling snow. To say I'm shoveling snow in Navajo, I would say yes Naashgeed. Yes Naashgeed. I'm shoveling snow. If I'm telling you to shovel snow, I would say yes ninishgééd. Yes ninishgééd. You shovel snow. If I'm saying Ty is shoveling snow, I would say Ty yes ninishgééd. Ty yes ninishgééd. Now, if I'm shoveling back snow, like I'm shoveling it back away from the house, I would say yes ninishgééd. Yes ninishgééd. I'm shoveling back snow. If I'm telling you to shovel back snow, I would say yes ninishgééd. Yes ninishgééd. Shovel back the snow. If I'm saying Ty is shoveling back snow, I would say Ty yes ninishgééd. Ty yes ninishgééd. Ty is shoveling back the snow. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Yes Naashgeed, or yes ninishgééd. Have a nice day.